NC2, 25 graduates, and of course our SMAU NC1, also successful graduates. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. So you have been with us in this journey for the past few months, for the past few weeks, right? And we are so grateful to TESDA, Ma'am Annabelle, for partnering with us and for your families, loved ones who supported you in this training. So in behalf of Christian Mindanao Colleges, we would like to express our gratitude to TESDA Provincial Office and to you, trainees, graduates, for partnering with us in this training. And I know there has been challenges along the way during your training, as well as there are joys and there are pains as well. I remember katong sa driving, enjoy man jud kaayo mo atong inyong time dito sa inyong session, sa inyong training time. So I know you will be treasuring that. That will be part of your life experience, sa inyong camaraderie, sa inyong kanang teamwork, with Sir Jingle. Although si Sir Jingle, wala man siya karon diri. Ma'am Mildred is Sir Jingle. But we thank Sir Jingle, your instructor, for the time and the skill na iyang i-google for you to be able to be successful sa inyong chosen field. As well as atong SMAU also ng mga estudyante. I know that there were challenges, Ma'am, sakit akong mata. Ma'am, nakitambalin ha, ma'am, para sa mata. Ang sambul kayo, ma'am. So there were challenges along the way, but pasalamat na 100% ang ato ang assessment sa inyo sa SMAU as well as sa driving institute. So let's thank the Lord for that. Pasalamatan nato and sa inyo usab na effort na inyong i-put sa inyong training. As well sa atong mga instructors, sa lang dedication. Let's give a round of applause to our CMC faculty.